Good day, everyone. So before we start, let me introduce myself first. I am Mylene P. Abadia from BSed Math 2. Today I am going to discuss about communication in the 21st century. But first, let us discuss or tackle about communication. So what is communication? Communications has changed because of technology, from telephones and televisions before to the internet and video conferencing today. Even with these changes, communication is still important for connecting people, leading others, and avoiding misunderstanding. So it says that technologies changes the way we communicate, but not the purpose of communication. People still need communication to understand each other, work together, and share ideas. It is also important to communicate clearly, honestly, especially in school and writing academic, to avoid misunderstanding and problems. So these are the five skills of communication. First, we have writing. By writing or sending messages, ACs or ML. Next is reading. For example, by understanding the books, messages, or instructions. The third one is listening. By paying attention to the teachers or instructions. The fourth one is speaking. By reporting, reciting, or presenting. Viewing. For example, is understanding the pictures, videos, or graphs. And now, how to do an effective communication. Effective communication. First, we need to learn how to organize one's thoughts. Second, control one's emotion. The third one is use one words to articulate content and argument. The last one is express oneself in the best way possible. And now let's continue to the lesson 1 communication model. So, before we continue to the communication model, let us tackle about what is model. Model is widely used to depict any idea, thought, or a concept in a simpler way through diagrams, pictorial or representation, and etc. So, in simpler way, models make the learning more simple. So the first model of communication is Aristotle model of communication. Aristotle model of communication is the widely accepted and the most common model of communication, where sender sends the information for a message to the receiver. So Aristotle models is the first who take an initiative and design the communication model. Aristotle model it says that speaker play a key role in the communication. So this is how Aristotle model of communication works from sender sending a message to a receiver. So the next or the second model of communication is Berlow's model of communication. Berlow's model of communication it takes into account the emotional aspect of message. Berlow's model of communication operates SMCR. The four factors of Berlow's communication, the SMCR. The first one is sender or source. Sender is the source of message or the person who originates the message. He is the one who transferred the information to the receiver after carefully putting his thoughts into words. The sender is the one who sends the message to the receiver. These are the key factors of sender or source. The first one is communication skills, attitude, knowledge, social system, and culture. And M stands for message. Message when individual converts his thoughts into words. Message was created. It is being sent by a sender to the receiver. Message, in short, message is the information sent by the sender to the receiver. The key factors of messages is the first one is content, element, treatment, structure, and code. The next one is channel. It actually refers to the medium, how the information flow from a sender to the receiver. Verlo's channels refers to the five human senses that can interpret the message encountered. The first, the channel, five senses of organ. The first is hearing. They use the ears to get the message. And the second one is seeing. Visual channels by seeing the TVs, videos, or seeing the messages. And the third one is touching. The sense of touch can be used as a channel to communicate by touching or buying foods or hugging. The fourth one is smelling. Smell can also be a channel of communication. By smelling perfumes, food, or something is burning, you can find out which food is being cooked. The last one is tasting. The tongue also can be used as decipher. Food can be tasted and communication happened. The last one is receiver. It is the person who gets the message sent by the sender. So from the sender, sent the information to the receiver. The key factors of receiver is communication skills, attitude, knowledge, social system, and culture. Same with the key factors of sender or source. And that's all for today, and thank you for listening.